Hello guys, good evening or good morning. It depends when you are watching us in the morning or in the evening. You are welcome anytime in our channel TechZone. For Leute von Deutschland, herzlich willkommen. For Italian, benvenuti. For French, enchanté. For Spanish, hola. Today we can speak about PX Network, and as you see here, it's a PX Network on Twitter, and the main title of our video today it's KYC. So the news right now, if you don't know KYC, BX Network first, you have to watch my last video about BX Network. It's in video in our YouTube channel, and I will let also in description box the referral link, the referral code, and the link for PX Network. Just join us. And if you are not mining, start to mining because as you see, KYC launching soon. It's very soon. They will launch the KYC and they start to speak, make a speech for them user about what is KYC and what is know your customer and how they will make the KYC. That's meaning for crypto security, they will make a KYC and also it's very soon. For now, I can tell you join our Telegram group because when KYC it's open, we will make announcement in our Telegram group. So it's so fast to start to know and so fast to make your KYC and don't miss it. Right now, I can tell you PX Network, it's in roadmap and it's in the right way. KYC is soon, launching soon. Don't miss it. For now, I can say to you goodbye and see you soon. Peace, pal.